pinakamahirap na karanasan mo nung nag-uumpisa ka sa showbiz?
Siguro po that time I was doing regular schools kasi, and sa school ko po kasi hindi sila pumapayag na working ka at the same time you're a regular student. So I had to transfer to a school. I had to look for another school na suitable yung situation ko. Napapayag sila na mag-a-adjust sila sa time ko, flexible sila with my time. At the same time, I can extend sa school. I can still do what a normal student does.
So talagang desidido ka?
Yeah.
Grabe! At 9 years old, you had supporting roles in Lorenzo's
Yes.
Time, Muling Buksan ng Puso, Juan de la Cruz, Maria Mercedes, pero hindi ikaw yung superbida noon.
Na-enjoy ko po siya actually.
Going Bulili.
Yes, para lang kaming naglalaro sa Going Bulilit. As in, I made friends pa, and at the same time, getting to work with veteran actors pa.